Hi everybody, this is Tor Storley and I am back with another video. I'll just quickly do a short video this time. I noticed when I looked at my Microsoft Edge browser, which is kind of popping up when I'm testing some code and stuff, I noticed there was something kind of funny looking thing. And then when I looked a little closer, it looked like suddenly ChatGPT is available in the Bing browser. So I went in and I said, is it really available? So I went in and I did a search. Is the Bing chat available now? And it says yes. Bing chat is now available in the Microsoft Edge sidebar. Okay, so I open up my Edge browser here, and on the top right corner there is this Bing services or Bing icon. I'm not sure what it is. I notice there's a chat, there's a compose, and there's insights. And I really haven't studied up on this because it's brand new, but I tested this out a little bit yesterday, and there's a chat portion here, and it kind of talks about what it expects from you, like ask complex questions. What are some meals I can make for my picky toddler who only eats orange-colored food? And get better answers. What are the pros and cons of the top 3 selling? So I guess what they're getting at is they want you to kind of write complete sentences, because when I tested this, I didn't even get an answer back, because I says, I went into compose and I said, I think I left it at enthusiastic. And then I say, write me a paragraph. What is the universe? Something like that, very broad. And I click generate draft. And as you can see, it's spinning here. And I think I was even more vague when I wrote it the first time. I just said about the universe or something. I'm curious to see whether it produces an answer now. Okay, it did now, because I added maybe a couple of more words, like what. I didn't have that before. I just said about. It was too broad of a question, I guess. So it is going to be important that you actually specify what you're looking for. And you can see here, for compose, you can do short, medium, or long. And it's still writing here. So you can see it produced something about the universe. Now, I'm not going to read this, but, you get the idea. But you can also compose like emails. Maybe how about a job interview thank you letter. Let's make it professional, and let's make it paragraph maybe. Yeah, let's keep it about medium, and let's see what happens. I'm clicking generate, and dear Mr. Smith, I'm writing to express my sincere appreciation for something. Rather, it keeps writing here. So it gives you like a template here. I'm writing to express myself the opportunity to interview you for the position of blank blank, fill it in. Maybe up here you should say thank you letter about the position for. So if you phrased it a little bit different, like for Java developer. I'm just making this up here. Let's see what happens now, if it improves on it or not. Maybe it puts the word Java developer in there. And so we're running this. Yeah, see here it goes for the Java developer position in ABC. And then, of course, if you specify more details, like, hey, which company was it? And what exactly was the detail of the job? It will write you a little letter here. You don't have to waste your time on trying to figure out what to say. So that's pretty cool. That's the Compose Insights, Clint Eastwood. Let's see what they say about Eastwood. Let's see if we can get any insights on that. I guess insights just... you type in something and it accumulates. Okay, I get it. All right, so I figured out the insight. I think I know how it works now. I was a little puzzled, but after 1 or 2 minutes, it's pretty straightforward. If I search, say, for something, generic, TurboTax, right? Tax season is coming up. So if I search for TurboTax, and over here on the insights now, you can see there's TurboTax listed. And it finds all kinds of insights about TurboTax. So let's say you want to follow a celebrity of sorts. I don't know. Okay, there was one video here in the Hard Rock category that I noticed yesterday that everyone was talking about. So let's see if I can find anything about this Nuno guy, who's a guitar player from, I don't know, from the 80s, I guess. I heard about him a couple of days ago. This is the first time I ever heard about him. I guess he's on Eddie Van Halen kind of same level as that. So let's see what it says. Okay, so he shows up, and here you can see over here on the insides, you're getting a lot of information about him. So when you search for something and you want to get, wow, look at all the traffic and everything. Okay, so you can get a lot more detail about whatever you're searching for in your search bar. So you can see that's the insight. So that's going to come in very handy. This guy has created some lot of headlines lately for their last album, I guess. So yeah, check him out if you are interested in electric guitar playing. Okay, I just want to share that insight with you, so now you know. What I really don't like, compared with a ChatGPT version from OpenAI, the background here is terrible for code. Somebody should go in and make this maybe black background on this whole thing, not this gray thing, because it's terrible. You can't even read it. It's bad. So it also gives you some other relevant responses that you can click into and follow up on this. But regardless, you can see here, you create a constant and you set it equal to a document create element, a div, so that's fine. And yeah, a couple of things, and then you append it. So if you know what you're doing, you have to double check the code. But what I really hate about this is the color scheme they chose here. It's bad because it's very difficult to read it. So somebody in Microsoft, if you ever watch this video, go and fix that. Make it a black background with color text on the front of it or something. So anyways, I just wanted to show you this. I don't want to make this a long video. So hopefully you like this. And, you know, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing and maybe give me a like. I appreciate it. Thank you. I will see you again soon.